In this video I'll be showing you how to design cake toppers with Pixel Lab, this app you are seeing right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it right now. So this is the interface. It does not require any data and it is free. I love to use this app a lot. So let's get started with our design. So I'm going to click here to add color to our background. So you can use any type of color that you want. See, we have color and we have gradients. Is just a mixture of more than one color. So I'm going to use a plain color right here. So I'm going to use yellow color. So you can add our text here. After then you check, then you can add your text here. Just double click and have your happy birthday wherever. You can actually say happy birthday there, or happy birthday. You can put any name that you like or anything at all. So you can see the letter A here. It is for font, for writing of letters. So I'm just going to click on it right away and choose any type of font that you like. These are the fonts that are available on the phone app, and these are my fonts that I downloaded from another app into the Pixel Labs memory. So you can go ahead and use any type of font that you like. So let us try this. Okay, you can see. So you can also get creative with it. So you can choose the color. What color would you like to use? You can leave it at white color or this type of color. Just choose orange. So you can stroke it. So Pixel Lab is a very good design app that allows you to explore your creativity. So I click on shadow. You can see I had a shadow. Can also increase the size. Can increase the size or reduce it as you like. Remember, I want to use it as cake toppers. You can see. So we are good to go. So you can add other things. We have shapes, we have sticker, you can also add pictures from your gallery. You can also decide to draw. So I'm going to add shapes to this design. So when I click on it, I'm going to be using a love shape. And you check. After checking, you adjust the size, adjust it. Then you can copy. You can copy, and copy is just for you to duplicate it. So after copying it, you can reduce the size a bit, place it here and place it here. You can also change the color if you like. You can add shadows to it. You can add shadows. You can leave it as white color, or use something that is similar to this orange color. Let's use this color. I'm going to do the same for the second one. Then after, then can decide to stroke it, just to make it more beautiful. Can increase the stroke length as you want it. Can stroke it here also. Increase the stroke width just to make it more beautiful. As simple as this, you are good to go. Can also decide to add shadows. Just get creative with it to make it more beautiful. And happy birthday, let us add a touch of outer glow. You can see how beautiful it is. So your cake topper is super ready. So here you have to just to click on this disk option here. You can save as projects if you still want to add more, if you want it to be saved on the app's memory, but maybe probably you want to come later and redesign it, or you save as image so that it can be saved into your phone's memory. Then you choose the PNG transparent, then you save at high quality, you save to your gallery. So your paper is ready.